And today we are here on a special assignment for Alliance. That is, then we'll be interviewing a lot of folks here. There's a big gathering here, and the whole idea is to make sure we introduce everybody and we come up with a mission. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Lifestyle TV. I'm Dr. Mobi, and today we are honored with great guests. And let's have all of them.
Sabah Mahmood,
Nazia Haq,
Nazir Diaz Hussain,
Surya Khan,
Zareen Babar,
Hina Aman,
Anila Shazad.
And they are all excited for tomorrow, and I can't wait. It is going to be a really nice part. So you better join it and better donate. This is a great cause, and everybody should pitch in. Whatever money we can pitch in, I am going myself. Catch me tomorrow, and we'll all witness a great function.
Assalamu alaikum. The concept for No Fun Being Ordinary started in 2018 when I was the president-elect of Apna Alliance. And Nazia approached me at that time and asked if we can do a project that would include our children, our Apna children, who are either on autism or autism spectrum or are some special need in some form or other. तो उसके ऊपर I was very excited when I heard that. I had another idea in mind, but when Nazia approached me, I thought that was brilliant. It was fantastic. And Nazia actually came up with the term No Fun Being Ordinary. Again, we were very excited with that. So that's how the conception of it started that way. And then 2019, alhamdulillah, we were able to really come to fruition. I mean, we had so many ideas what we wanted to do. We wanted to do a 3-day camp where children come in, and the 3 days of Apna, the children were actually involved in doing activities of different sorts. But that was a bit too much for the first year, so we decided to do 1 day of it. And that was amazingly successful, and I think we have shared the movie with you on that, and it was really a dream come true. And I'm going to hand it over to Nazia.
Yes, so after that, the second project was we did a Facebook fundraiser, and we were able to collect over $7,000 in a short period, and that money was sent to a special needs school in Pakistan, Compass. And it was something that I think this special needs, it's something that's very close to my heart. And this year we have been approached by Mohsin. It's an organization started by Sheikh Umar Suleiman. So we are hoping that inshallah ta'ala we'll be able to raise way more than we were able to do for Compass and support these children. Because in my opinion, these children are extraordinary, and in our Desi communities, we just don't like to talk about them. And we like to, we think either it's a punishment or that if you have a child of special needs, it's something that you don't talk about. But we are trying to raise awareness in our Pakistani communities especially, that it's really seriously not a death sentence. It is okay. These children can do anything. We just have to support them, and which we, the whole team, we are doing our best. And please support us. Please support these children because they need our help. जी आप Zari, we have our two chair and the co-chair, and for the upcoming fundraiser, these two have worked day and night, and I think we are so blessed and we are so lucky that we got a team that's as hard working as Dr. Zareen Babar and Hina Aman, our chair and co-chair. And love you girls. Thank you very much for doing this for us.
Thank you.
And you're amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alliance and Nazia and the whole team, to give us opportunity that we can step forward and do something very little, our contribution to our society, and especially for these special needs kids. So the whole idea was starting as a fundraiser, but then every fundraiser needs a cause that can attract people. So then already Alliance is doing the No Fun Being Ordinary, and then Mohsin approached us, and then we collaborated it, and we worked really hard, and we want everyone to know that what we are doing, and everyone to come out and then see our work and help these kids. You know, they need our love and attention, and of course, you know, our support money-wise too.
Assalamualaikum everyone, and thank you very much Nazia, and I would like to congratulate the whole team. I'm the Board of Trustee Chair of Apna Alliance. I was Apna Alliance President in 2017, and during my tenure I supported a lot of good causes, but this project I have not thought about it, and I would like to thank each one of you, the amount of work you are doing. Not only like they're putting their efforts, they're putting their money, they're putting their heart, they're putting their soul to it. Thank you so much. These are very unprecedented time, and I would like to thank everybody who's joining us, especially Lifestyle TV, for supporting us and spreading our message across the aisle. And I want everybody to please come up and support and open your hearts and donate to this worthy cause. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Dr. Sajid Mahmood from Chicago, and we are excited to be here to be part of and to support Apna Alliance fundraiser. As we have already seen that under the dynamic leadership of Nazia Imtiaz Hussain, this year has been dynamic and very productive despite a lot of obstacles in the way. Yet, when there is a will, there is a way, and they have carried out humanitarian projects including water pumps in Pakistan in various villages, and she has interviewed public figures who have opinion over significant and sensitive topics that we have witnessed. So that was a very important and very new strategy in Alliance working, and that's why we are all looking for productive and active fundraising event tomorrow, and hopefully that will be another successful event. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Assalamualaikum. I am Hina. I am President fundraising. So ज़री और मैंने मिलके काम किया बहुत, तो हम अकेले ही ये शुरू किया था। तो इस पे एक शेर याद आ गया कि हम निकले थे अकेले मंजिल की तरफ, लोग मिलते गए और कारवां बनता गया। तो ये सब एक टीम है और एक टीम की तरह हमने काम किया है। तो आई होप सो वी सक्सेसफुल
इंशाल्लाह। गुड लक।
जब नीयत इतनी अच्छी है तो अल्लाह ताला साथ देने वाला है।
ले लीजिए प्लीज।
Deem Al Haq from New Jersey. This year we have noticed a dynamic leadership and the team of Apna Alliance. So our objective is to support the team and their causes and all the projects which have been undertaken. And in addition, we see a lot of energy in the team members and all the initiatives and all the projects they've started. It needs to be completed and new ones have to be initiated and maintained for the purpose of the betterment of the community and the betterment for all in Pakistan and everywhere. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मैं नाजिया हक हूँ और अलायंस की मैं बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टीज़ की सेक्रेटरी हूँ, एंड आई एम हियर फॉर द इवेंट, और इंशाल्लाह इट शुड बी अ ग्रेट फंडरेजर फॉर अ वेरी वेरी गुड कॉज. तो प्लीज़ जॉइन अस इन दिस वर्दी कॉज. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum, Ms. Leah Khan, and I'm here attending this event. I wanted to make sure that we're all here to support this wonderful cause.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nazia Imtiaz Hussain, Alliance President, and we are all here today. We've gathered here for this amazing cause. Inshallah Ta'ala, it will be great success, right? Because we've all worked very hard. Alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, मेरा नाम सबा महमूद है and I am the Board of Trustee Chair of Alliance, and I would like to congratulate Nazia on her first ever event for No Fun Being Ordinary. It's such a huge milestone. Thank you very much, and thank you Lifestyle TV for giving us the opportunity to talk to you, and thank you for the wonderful dinner that you have hosted. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I'm Zareen Babar. I am one of the co-chair hosting this event, me and my chair Hina. We're just very excited. This is our first event, and we work really hard. So we want everyone to come and join us, and inshallah, it's going to be a good success.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Hina Wan. I am chair for fundraising. So this is my first time. I hope so सब आएंगे और enjoy करेंगे. Thank you so much.
I'm Shabbar Hussain from Pennsylvania, and we are here to support this very noble fundraiser, and inshallah it will be a very successful event, and all our efforts and time will be well served, and it will be well received.
I wanted to say that any contribution goes a long way, and it really started off as कहते हैं ना नियत का दारो मदार अमाल
हम लोग का
हम लोग
दारो
का
मदार।
दार नियत पे होता है तो our intentions were very pure, very clean. There's no need for recognition or anything, but it's something that came from within the heart. So please come and support us. Please give whatever you can. It's for a very noble cause, and inshallah we'll see you tomorrow.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anila Shahzad. I am current president elect of Alliance, and we are here for the fundraising dinner for No Fun Being Ordinary. This project is very close to our heart, and our host committee, Hina Wan and Zareen Babar, they are doing phenomenal job. We could not have done without them, and here we are. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Taj Khan from Houston, Texas. We are here to support Alliance project, a good cause, and since Nazia Hassan took over, they have done a lot of good jobs, water projects, also Khana Ghar, and also the Hunar Month program. So they are doing great job, and our support will be always with them. Wish them a good luck, and inshallah tomorrow is a good program. It is a fully sold. Thank you.
2, 3.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. This concept for No Fun Being Ordinary started in 2018 actually. When I was president-elect for... My name is Anila Shahzad. I am current president-elect of Apna Alliance. No, Alliance.
Okay, you are Apna Alliance. What are you talking about?
It's no fun being ordinary.
Yeah. TV on.
Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much,
much,
Lifestyle TV will say.
for giving us this opportunity to come and talk and spread our words. Thank you.
And thank you for being such a supporter.
Always. You
Always.
have been a very strong supporter of our causes, and whatever Alliance has done, you have supported us, and you have taken our message across, I think, Pakistan and many other countries. And thank you very much. And we hope you will keep supporting us.
Yes.
And I
Thank
want to
you very
thank you, actually, Dr. Mubashir. Thank you so much for your generosity.
Yes,
Thank
you're
you.
very generous.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Looking forward